Hello everyone, this is Lynn, and today I will teach you how to fix this miserable cube and the easiest way. Okay, well, firstly you need to choose a face to start with. Which face, it depends on you, but for me I always choose this one, because not because it is this is right, or this is a hack, or this is something. I like the white one. Anyways, we will go for the white one. Why I said this face will be white? Because this one in the middle, or this cube in the middle, is white. So this, all the cubes around this white cube will be white. We're gonna go for the first step, which will be plus, white plus. How to make a white plus? Now I'll show you. Okay, I have this one. I need to move it up. How to move it up? Firstly, I can't move it just up because it is orange and white, and this one, this face, is blue. If I just move it like this easy, it will be wrong plus, because I have here blue. It should be orange. So what I'm gonna do, I will make it down and move this, move it. Okay, now we are right. Now it is under the orange one, it's right. Now what I'm gonna do, easy, just flip it like this. See, now it's right. Let's go for the other one. I have here green. If I did the easiest thing and I move it up, it will be wrong because this is blue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move it down and look for a green face. Now this is green face. Let's flip it up. See, easy. Let's look for another one. Now I have this one. This is blue. What I'm gonna do now, I have an issue here because this blue is facing down. How to make it facing up? Easy. It's now under the blue, as we see. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip this like this, and I'm gonna move my blue white here, and I'm gonna flip it up again and reback my face. It's right, nothing changed here. It's green, white, orange, white, blue, white. It's all fixed. Now I have this one. This one is with the same issue. What to do? Easy. Just flip it down more and make it at this side, okay? Why? Because we're gonna do like this. Okay, now flip it like this and reback it to the green, to the red, sorry. Now nothing has been changed, nothing, everything is fixed. Orange, blue, red, and green. We have the plus. We finished the first step. Now we're gonna move to the second step, the corners. How to fix the corners? It is the easiest thing ever. Now we will take this corner to here. Why? Because it is blue and red. We have here red and blue. What we're gonna do, just flip this down and move this here, as we see, and flip it up. This is red, this is blue. Fixed. Let's go for orange and green and white one. Where is it? Yeah, it is here, because we have here orange and green. What we're gonna do, we take it to the same area. Now we have to move this up. If we did as the same step, it will be wrong, as we see. The white is it's not in the right position. Anyways, let's do it again. Now we have to move this to the save area. As we see, this is the save area, because if we move it here, this one will move. We don't need it to move. We're gonna move it to the save area, in which this part will never move. We're gonna move this part down, reback it here and up. See, fixed. Now I have orange and blue. How to flip this over? Abracadabra. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways, no, you're gonna move it down and to this side and move this up. Every movement you make, you should reback your position to make sure that you didn't play with the parts we fixed already. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna move it under the part I want, which is here. Now I'm gonna move it like this. It's okay, I want to move this one. Now take it here take it more step here and back. Now take this down to this area, and as we did the first step and the first time we fixed the corner, we take this down and this here. It fixed. See, we have the last corner, which is here. We need to move this red here and this green here and this white up. How to do this? As same as we did for the last step. Okay, move this down, take my corner here and take this up, and take this again under the area I want to move it here, and down and again to my place and up again. It fixed, as we see. See, T, we did a plus, we did the corners the right way, makes us sure that it is T. If it wasn't T, like this green T, oh, I like green tea. Anyways, orange tea, I don't like this one. Blue tea, I don't think there's anything. Anyways, now we make sure it is right. Let's fix the other face, which, or the other, here, what do we call it? It's not a column. Anyways, we need to fix this one. How to fix it? It's also a steps. Well, I have here red, here blue. This is red, this is blue. I'm gonna move it under the blue. I can't just move it under the red because this is blue as I see. I move it under the blue. Let's make sure it's not only blue, it's blue and red, because I'm gonna move it here. Okay, now we are right. Okay, what to do? You go for the opposite side. Let's see. Okay, opposite side, this down again to my place, up again, down again, up. It fixed. Do the steps just as I do. Okay, now I have here blue and orange where it should be here. So I'm gonna put it under the orange and go again, opposite side, this side, down to the left, up again, to the left, down and right, and up again. It's fixed. Let's see, where is my unfixed side? Okay, we have this one and this one. So I'm gonna do like this up, this down, this. Why I did this movement? I want to take the one I want to move it here. So I did يعني movement, we call it like this, كذا 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 كذا. It's okay, the corner is messed up, but I will fix it. Why? Because يعني we know the step of the corners, as we remember. يعني nothing has been changed. It's okay. Okay, أحطها هنا. This is up, this is here, this is down, and this up again. Now it's fixed, and we have our cube here. Yeah, this is green, this is red. Where to move it? We're gonna move it here, because we need this one to go here. How to take it up to replace it with this? Okay, let's go. To the opposite side, left, down, right, up, right, down, left, up. Fixed. Let's look for our part. Yeah, that's it. See, I replaced this one and it's here now. I can work in this one, as I see. Let's see. Okay, same. To the opposite side, down, right, up, right, down, left, up. It's fixed. See, we finished this stage. We have now the last stage. For the last stage, it's a set of rules actually. If you memorize the rules, you will fix it without even looking to it. So, let's see. If you have only one yellow cube in the middle. You don't have this shit here. You're gonna work as the rule I will do. If you have this shape, don't hold it like this, hold it like this. You need to see this one, but it's okay if you just see one yellow cube and then in the middle of this cube, you're gonna do the same steps I will do now. I'm holding it like this because I have this shape. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, see, I have now this line. You don't hold it like this, you should hold it like this. Okay, go at the same steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I have a plus. I have a plus. But what is the problem? The problem is that this plus is wrong. It's right here, but it's wrong here and wrong here. What to do? It's okay. We're gonna do a steps. We finished the first steps. The first step we worked on is to make a plus, a yellow plus. Now we did a yellow plus, but we need to fix this plus. How to fix it? Just hold the cube as the way you want to hold. It's okay because it's already aslan wrong, as we see. I'm gonna hold it like this and go 1 down. Okay, let's see if it fixed. We're gonna move this here. Okay, it's right from here, it's wrong from here, it's wrong, wrong, wrong. Anyways, we're gonna move it to look for 2 faces right. Yeah, we have 2 faces right. It's beside each other. See, 1. It's fixed. Now I'm gonna hold it like this. This fixed, this fixed. So I'm gonna hold it like this. This is not fixed, this is not fixed. So I'm gonna hold it here. What I'm gonna do as the same steps we did. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, our plus is fixed finally. Steps. It's just the steps. That's why I said you need to memorize these steps. It will make sure that you will fix the last face without messing up with this side. Okay, now I fixed the plus. I need to fix the corners. I will look for a right corner. What do I mean with a right corner? The right corners mean that you have the same colors as the area you want. It never, يعني, no, don't mind if you have a right, يعني, the position is wrong. This yellow should be up. It's okay. You need the colors, okay? The colors are right because you have here blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. See? This is not fixed. This is not fixed. It's okay. Don't think so much, يعني. Okay? Now you're gonna hold the right one here to the right and start doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? And if it fixed, it will be good. If it not fixed, it's okay. You're gonna repeat the same movement. Make sure this is in the right place and the right. If you hold it in the left, it will move and the position will be changed. So hold it in the right, always in the right. Yalla, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, it fixed. See, not only fixed, actually we have a right corners here, which is good. Now this is the last step, and I need you to focus in these steps because every mistake you do will miss with all the cubes, all the steps we did. It will be missed. But don't be nervous. It's okay. We're gonna fix it. Now this is in the right place. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It fixed. Don't panic if you saw this miss here. Just hold it like you are holding your future, okay? Like this, okay? Now you move the corner in here to your side, like this, and do the same steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Why I did this more than the last time? Because I will do it until I see the yellow with the yellow, and then we flip it up. It fixed, as you see. let's move it like this, and it's fixed, honey. It's easy steps. Always focus in the last stage. You need to memorize the rules and do it as I did, just as I did. This will make sure that you're gonna fix this Rubik. By practice, of course, you will fix it in less than 1 minute maybe. Thank you everyone. Bye.